Death is the one experience no one can avoid, yet no one can return to fully explain. Science calls it the end of biological function, but spirit whispers it is a doorway. What truly happens when life leaves the body? Biology defines death as the irreversible cessation of vital functions. No heartbeat, no breath, no brain activity. Cells begin to shut down, oxygen runs out, and the body enters decomposition. Medical science can measure the stages of dying, the slowing of circulation, the shutting down of organs, the release of chemicals that cause visions or sensations of light. Some researchers suggest near-death experiences may be bursts of brain activity, as neurons fire chaotically. Yet, despite decades of study, no instrument can locate the exact instant when life becomes death, when person becomes absence. Physics reminds us, energy cannot be destroyed, only transformed. If this is true for every atom, why not for consciousness? For the mystic, death is not an end but a passage. Ancient Egyptians called it a return to the stars. Tibetan texts describe the bardo, an in-between realm. Countless traditions tell of the soul rising from the body, guided by ancestors or light. Near-death testimonies across cultures echo the same. Tunnels of radiance, encounters with presence, a feeling of home. What science measures as brain activity, spirit calls the loosening of the soul's tether. Death is the collapse of separation, the shedding of form so the eternal essence can expand again. To fear death is to mistake the vessel for the voyager. So, death is both biology and mystery. Cells break down, yet love lingers. Neurons go dark, yet stories of light abound. Science traces the process, but spirit reveals the purpose. To live wisely is not to deny death, but to walk with it as teacher, reminding you that every ending is also beginning, that eternity is not later but already here. When the body dissolves, what remains is what was always you. Presence, awareness, soul. Death does not erase you. It unveils you.